Hello everyone. It is time for the memes. Bah. Hey, how are you? Hey, new message. Hey, how are you? Hi, I'm alright. How are you? Later. 1 hour ago. Yeah, this has actually happened to me a few times when it comes to to messaging with someone. They message me and I say hi and then they just kind of disappear. They just seem to cease existing. Yeah. Next meme. Watching furry videos. Hates furries. Glad I woke up every day and chose not to go down the path of beans. Yes, very cute. Me, big pops. Bah. A book can change a life. Star Fox. There is actually a Star Fox book? Eh? Eh? Like, I can see some sort of comic back in the day maybe, but a book? Didn't know that was a thing. Okay. Yeah. A lot of foxes were born that day. How's my commission coming along? That's Fortnite. I don't know why is it. I don't get it as much, but it kind of is just funny. Was the art commissioner doing Fortnite instead of art? I guess you could say it was art night. Yeah, that's a horrible joke. Oh well. Next meme. Oh. Oh woo. Oh, didn't know you were a howler. Whoops the daisies. Yeah. I guess you could say they were a bit too much. They're being a bit too oh woo at night. No wooing. If someone complains about your paw proportions, show them this. Those are some big damn bappers. Kind of like these. Seriously, I'd love to see more of this. Yeah, like it's true. Some cats have very big paws, especially those that are in the winter environments, because they help keep them on top of the snow and not buried in it. Oh, that's a beautiful cat, by the way. That's amazing. Is it like a lynx or something? Let me know in the comments what you believe this fine feline to be. Anyways, next meme. Who let bro cook? That poor little Nago cougar who couldn't cook. Yeah. That's not good. We don't have fire in pan. Pan's supposed to sit on top of a fire, or a heat source at least. That's around the wrong way. Oh, poor little bean. He didn't know what he'd done. When you're fursuiting and some rando starts yanking your tail. Yeah, don't do that. That's not nice. This is a fine piece of furry etiquette for anyone out there. Don't yank on a fursuiter's tail. Oh, be nice. Yeah. Anyways, next meme. What? You like eating chicken nuggets, don't you? That little cheeky fox knows too much. That little fox is a nugget stealer. There's gonna be a nugget apocalypse. Yeah, cute fox. Wah. Capture failed. Maybe I am a protogen. Yes. That is cute though. And also, I just noticed there's a goddamn Among Us in the top of the mirror. Saucy baka! Next mem. Oh god, you're finally awake. Humans, fursuits, what are you talking about? Let's go for a walk. Yeah. Isn't that a reality we all want to wake up in? Yeah. Next mem. Wah. You like snake girls, don't you? Yep. I guess I do like them. Just be careful. They can sometimes have a hissy fit. I'm terrible with these. Canon, a literal human. Fanon, they are an animal now. Woof. That's some cute art. Cute. Wah. Cute pup. Wah. Next mem. One furry hater. Cute fluffy sounds. One new furry. Welcome to our fandom. This is probably one of the things that happens on a regular basis. Furry hater comes wandering into somewhere, ends up coming out as a furry at some point. Yeah. Yeah. That's some cute art. Whoever made this art is amazing. Yeah. He made the meme. I made that meme. Next. Ma'am. Wah. You are crying. 1 year later. Yes. This be so true with furry haters. Yep. Next meme. Me in the comment section. Me in the DMs. Derp. Derpy. Derpy bean. That's cute. Cute dogs. Wow, amazing art. Whoever made these did a good job with them. Wow. Nobody. Snow leopards. Yep, they hold their tails in their mouth. Tail numb. What dogs want to do all the time? They caught the tail and then just hold on to it. Why? I don't know. They just do it. They look kicking cute while they do it too. Wow. God damn, I was about to sneeze. Alright, let's put our heads together. A fine gathering of circles trying to have an agreement on a conversation. Very much formal, very much circle. It's dangerous to go alone. Take this. Nado Kugelloaf. 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 Yeah, that's cute. Yeah. I don't know why, but people have recently been taken to making art of a Naruto cougar as a small little bean. Yeah. Cute. I hope you all had a great time today, and I hope to see you around the next one. Maybe if you have something interesting to talk about in the comments, I'd like to hear it. Anyways, you all have a brilliant day. And also, it's my birthday on the 16th of April. If you wish to send me anything, I've got a PO box. I'll be happy to see it and open it in the next video if it arrives by then. If not, oh well. Anyways, you all have a fabulous day today, or night, and I'll see you around the next one. Bye! Bye! Wow.